In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your Stripe settings to prevent failed payments on subscriptions. We'll walk through the exact settings inside your Stripe dashboard that help reduce payment failures and keep your subscription revenue more stable. Go ahead and log into your Stripe account, and once you're in, you should land on your main home dashboard. This is the control center for your account, and from here we're going to dive into the billing settings. Look toward the top right-hand corner of the page and find the small gear icon. This icon opens your Stripe settings. Click on it and you'll be taken to a page that lists all the different configuration areas for your account. From the settings menu, look for the option labeled Billing. This is where Stripe groups everything related to invoices, subscriptions, and customer communication. Click on Billing, and then on the next screen, find and select Subscriptions and Emails. This is the section where you control how Stripe handles ongoing subscriptions and the messages that go out to your customers. At the top of this page, you'll see a section called Email Notifications and Customer Management, or something very close to that. This area controls which automatic emails Stripe sends on your behalf. Turning these on is important because good communication can prevent a lot of failed payments before they happen. Within this section, you'll see several toggles. Switch on the toggle for email reminders, upcoming renewal emails, expiring card notifications, emails for when card payments fail, and emails for when bank debit payments fail. Enabling all of these ensures your customers are warned about renewals, get notified when their card is about to expire, and are alerted immediately if a payment issue occurs. This gives them a chance to update their details or fix the problem before the subscription is cancelled. Once you've turned on all 5 toggles, make sure you click the Save button at the bottom right of this section. If you don't save, the changes won't apply. Next, scroll down to the section called Manage Payments for Subscriptions. Here, you can set how aggressively Stripe should retry failed payments. Click on the field that controls the number of retries and choose the number of attempts you want. Then, use the timeframe drop-down beside it to decide over what period those retries should happen. For example, several attempts within a couple of weeks. More retries over a reasonable time window can recover payments that failed due to temporary issues like insufficient funds. Below that, you'll see a toggle for ACH direct debit retries. If you accept bank debits, switch this on so Stripe will also automatically retry those payments when they fail, not just card payments. Finally, click Save again in the bottom right of this section. With these settings in place, your Stripe account will do a much better job of communicating with customers and automatically recovering failed subscription payments.